What's up guys, today I'm so excited to show you a new propeller that come on the market, and they are the new T-motor propeller. They are 5143 but with a very tiny blade, so you have the grip of the race props but that they not amp hungry. I test them for like 2 weeks now, and I can say I'm so fan of them because I'm usually user of the HQ props 5x4.3x3, and they are very nice, but they don't have that grip that I need to make more cleaner move, etc, etc. And T-motor make for me the best, the perfect props for what I use. So here they are. You can see that the pitch is very aggressive, but the blades are very tiny, so you don't have that boat feeling you have with props for race, and the motor doesn't have that much difficulty to turn them, as they are very light. I don't know exactly where they're gonna come in the market, but I can say that you very much must pre-order them because they are insane. So I'm just gonna show you a bit the color you can have. They are all made in polycarbonate, so you don't have any problem with the jello or vibration like with the nylon props. The colors are all clear, and I prefer a lot than the solid one. I think it just looks better. Thanks for watching, and please leave a comment, hit the like button and subscribe, because that's helped me a lot about the vision on YouTube. And don't forget, one color a day. See you.